Hey friends, if you encounter media capture failed event error 0xa00f4271, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is a clean boot. So why are we performing a clean boot? Because there are many processes associated with cameras that need to be stopped and we cannot find each and every one of them. So basically our approach should be to disable all of them at once. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next one is to update the camera drivers. So here's what you have to do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on each driver and update it, okay, to the latest version. And the last one is to run the camera troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane and select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.